Hi guys, I just got back from a Sunday brunch with a few friends. This was my fit. Love of my life, this Louis Vuitton bag. Honestly, just such a simple outfit, and I'm wearing my Ducks. But it was like so hot in New York City today. It was like gross. I'm kind of just gonna throw this everywhere because I'm so tired. And my cat needs to be fed immediately. She's hooting, hollering, crying. I'm gonna take off my jewelry because I do not want to wear my jewelry right now, but this is what I'm wearing. So yeah, let's just get cozy and comfy to go to the grocery store. I'm also gonna get some grocery bags. I'm gonna take this big tote bag and this girly pops. I'm gonna put my AirPods in. My AirPods have been in too long today. I'm kind of tired of listening to music, but the show must go on. We have to keep trucking. Oh my god, my socks don't match. And these are like open-toed socks, so I look like extra ridiculous. You know what? We're going to the grocery store. Whatever. So our socks don't match. We're not that aesthetic here. Like, we try to be, maybe, sure, but like, it's fine. If you saw me in the street, would you judge me? Be real. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Hi guys, Wildgrain box sent me over a box of pastas and bread. Yeah, like a box of pastas and bread. I'm so excited. Wildgrain is the first baked from frozen delivery service. They have like sourdough breads, artisan pastries, and so much more. And like pastas, like fresh pastas. Freezer to table in 25 minutes, so you can enjoy homemade quality whenever. They use clean ingredients and long fermentation processes that provides health benefits that you won't find at the grocery store. And they deliver based on your schedule. Support the best bakers in the country by using Wildgrain. Getting those meal delivery services are good and stuff, and it's yummy to eat the food, but honestly, when you bake it yourself, it's like something else. So anyways, let me show you what they sent me. And also, if you want your own boxing at free croissants and $10 off, use my code Jennifer-Biana. So they sent me croissants in the October box, which like, I am a big croissant fan, so I will definitely be baking some. And I have baking instructions right in the back. Super easy croissants. These will probably be my favorite. These I'm really excited about. These are pumpkin cinnamon rolls. I didn't even know you could put those two things together. Like, I am ecstatic. They also have sourdough rosemary garlic bread. That sounds delicious. And just sourdough bread. This one I'm bringing to Thanksgiving, but it's slow fermented cranberry pecan bread. Who thinks of these things? That is like amazing. Are you kidding? I'm gonna pull up and people are gonna be so impressed, I swear. Tonarelli. I don't know if that's how you say this pasta, but they also send you pasta. But for me tonight, it's fettuccine. Oh my god, this dough. I'm a fettuccine girl. Fettuccine is in my blood. It's my favorite pasta. I'm so happy they sent it to me. I just want to eat so bad. I haven't used it in so long. You're lying. Ah! And now that it's steaming hot, now let's try it. Oh my god, this pasta's texture is everything. I got a bunch of ingredients. So I'm gonna mix something gluten-free, because he's gluten-free. And I'm gonna cook myself something that I got from Wildgrain. So let's get into it. I got a bunch of udon packets for myself because I live off of those things. Like, for real, it's unhealthy. I have bought adobo because I've been seeing a lot of people cook with adobo lately, and I was like, I need to have some of that. I want to try it. I'm so excited. Everyone just hypes it up so much, you know. Got more udon. I got garlic, parsley, cumin, 4 zucchinis. Didn't know what zucchinis were actually. I had to ask someone who was like, oh, these are them. Because they look like cucumbers. Oh yeah, that's it. I cooked some pasta the other day and it was delicious. So I don't really want to do pasta again. Oh my gosh, it was so nice. I'm in a mood for these, so let's try the pumpkin cinnamon rolls. So I'm gonna be making food and then dessert. So I have a lot of dishes that I really need to do right now. First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And grease a shallow baking dish. Do I have one? Nice. I'm probably just gonna do my dishes right now because that like needs to be done. Side note, but I love doing dishes while listening to my friends like voice memos. Like, I love the tea. And now we're FaceTiming. It's my friend Eric. Do you have something to plug?
Nashville, the city's great. Come visit anytime. Come buy a cowboy hat.
All right, any single ladies, go to Nashville.
Yeah, please. Put your hands up.
Okay, I was like FaceTiming my friend for so long. He just moved to Nashville, so it was a lot of like tea, like things that I'm upset about, and you know, like it was just such random tea. Well, I was cleaning up a little bit. Not cleaned up well enough, but we cleaned up that area a little bit. It's 6 o'clock, this video is chaotic. Let's go cook. Okay, step 1, preheat oven to 350. I don't think I've ever baked one thing in here yet. And then grease a shallow baking dish. Got big buns. I'll wash them and I'll be right back. Scoop out the flesh of the zucchini, chop the flesh and set aside. Place the shells. Oh, okay. Ah, that was perfect. Yes. Okay guys, I'm dumb. There's an easier way to do it. You just hold it down and you just scrape like that. I cannot believe I was making it so much harder for myself. This way is actually really fast and easy. Like, look, it's already hollowed out, like you're kidding. If you're watching this for educational purposes, which you're not, that's how you do it. My boyfriend said he'd be here in an hour originally, and now he texted me that he'll be here in like all I have is some half-emptied zooks. That's as far as we go. Place the shells in the prepared dish. Here's our prepared dish. Oh my god, the way they just all fit. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Oh, we gotta heat some oil, let's go! Let's just use this because I don't know how big this is gonna be. I have some olive oil. Let's heat it up, baby! Saute onions for 5 minutes. Okay, 1 onion chopped, so I gotta chop an onion. Okay, I'm crying, the onions are chopped. Let's pour these girlies in because I'm, like, my eyes hurt, like I can't see. Now I gotta chop some other things. Anyways, I've never chopped garlic before, so this might be really bad, but I've like never dealt with garlic before. I like the cloves. I assume 2 cloves is like 2 of these, like these little things, guys. I don't know. I really like mushrooms, so I'm putting in like a lot of mushrooms. This already smells good, I think. I mean, garlic and onion always together, right? It smells like really, really good. So I have to chop up the zucchini. I'm really bad at chopping, but I think this is fairly chopped, I don't know. This actually smells delightful. I like never cook, by the way. I don't cook, I cook mixed salads. That's all I cook. So I have to put in everything else. We're just gonna eyeball this. A bunch of chickpeas. I'm just gonna rinse them and pop them right in as well. And now I'm supposed to put them in the shells soon. Oh, that all fit perfectly, but like, yeah, I guess these zucchinis are a little out of luck. Set timer for 35 minutes. So we are gonna cook these pumpkin cinnamon rolls. I am so excited. Let's see. Oh, my boyfriend's gonna be so sad he can't eat these. Oh my god, they smell so good. Ah! Okay, separate pairs of rolls and place 2 inches apart. These feel so soft. She's beauty, she's grace, she's Wildgrain, cinnamon pumpkin buns, pumpkin cinnamon buns. Okay, the Wildgrain stuff was literally so easy, so I just popped it in. I'm really excited to see how delicious they are. They like smell good and they're so soft already. So excited. We will see the result of all of this soon. This is me being wifey Jen. I'm not a wifey, by the way, I'm 23. But you know, not that there's anything wrong with being a wifey at 23. There's nothing wrong. I respect that lifestyle too. Just I'm in New York City and wifey at 23 rarely happen. Okay. All right, they should be done. The pumpkin cinnamon buns. Ah! So we need to let it like cool down for 10 minutes before we put the icing on. Let's see, how's the other thing going? I just can't tell if like the shells are getting softer. Look at how good this is. I am having a good Sunday night. It is, oh my God, it's already 8:30. Wait, no it's not. It's 7:30. Oh, because daylight saving. So this looks good and these look good. I'm gonna let these cool down before I put the icing on them and eat them. So I am in my chef era. I like really want to learn how to cook more things, so this is like so exciting. Zucchini boats.
Yum. Oh. I want to eat all of it together.
The zucchini with the mushroom tastes really good actually. Also the 40 minutes in this was like, it sucked. If you have no cooking skills, this is actually fairly easy.
You have cooking skills.
Thanks. That's nice. No one would believe you, but thank you.
I don't even believe me.
What?
I'm kidding.
We just had the zucchini. It was really good. I would probably add like breadcrumbs or something on top because I feel like it was missing a crunch. It's the most important time, which is the pumpkin cinnamon buns. Okay, so the icing is right here and we are gonna pour it in. You know the Beverly Hills Chihuahua song? I have that like stuck in my head. Let's just plop these guys in here. Oh my God, me and my boyfriend are watching Love is Blind right now. I love that show. It's so interesting. Could they? Oh my God, you're kidding. Ah, that drizzle's so good. And that was like, this is a lot of drizzle. Oh my God, like I haven't even used a lot of it. I'm gonna put some more on here. This is an amazing drizzle. Guys, oh my God. Try this one. It tastes like the perfect fall treat. Like it's like cinnamon sugar donuts plus apple cider, like some like, you know what I mean? I don't know, it feels like a combo. Because cinnamon fits so well with pumpkin already. Center is so soft, it's killing me. Oh my God. Also the icing is really good. Wildgrain has impressed me so much. I just ate that whole thing like, that was so good. I'm gonna be saving those for breakfast. Amazing. Okay, so it's like 8 o'clock-ish, 9 o'clock-ish, and honestly, I'm still a little bit hungry. I kind of want to have some udon, and I have some work to get done. I have like a social media report due tomorrow. I just need to read through it to make sure that I spelled everything right and my ideas sound like right, you know. Probably gonna eat, watch the show Manifest a bit, and then do my report, and then do my nighttime routine. So this is my couch and I have like this cute little Victoria's Secret blanket right here, and I have like another like white orange like fall one, and I have a table here with like a laptop stand. I actually have to check out a video that my editor sent me and check some emails. Oh my God, I'm done reading all of this, thank God. Oh my God, it's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna just remove all my makeup, do my skincare routine, so I'm probably gonna have dots on my face. I'm gonna watch some TV and eat some udon and go to bed. Okay. Isn't she cute? She loves the second I get out of the shower to like rub up against my legs and get all of her hair stuck on my wet legs. She loves to do that. She does. Like here are all my products. I'm gonna go in with my Proactive. I still have eye makeup that won't come off, so I'm gonna use these like lavender wipes. First I'm gonna go in with this like gel. It's like for acne, I don't know. My acne is like pretty good right now. It's usually like a lot worse. And then I'm taking the Q-tip and I'm gonna go in with this Mario Badescu like drying cream. I need to buy more of this. And then I go in with this Clinique Moisture Surge. Mario Badescu has changed my life in terms of acne. It is super drying and this is like the only moisturizer that will defeat the dryness. And then now I'm gonna go in with my Estée Lauder. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with Mario Badescu drying cream. And I'm just brushing my hair. Tomorrow I have work, I work from home, so it's not that crazy, but like I also have a concert to go to on a Monday night. I'm going to the 1975 concert, and this is peak relaxation. Okay, I need to get my udon. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm gonna respectfully eat my udon, lay with my cat, and watch Manifest. The light in my room is so ugly. I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night, guys.